This entire sales video was 100% AI generated. No actors, no filming. Can you believe it? And can you believe you can do it too within 2 minutes? Introducing AI Product Avatar.
Today, we are going to introduce a powerful tool that can change your life. That is Product Avatar Generator by Top View. I think you are already familiar with Top View, right? Our favorite friend, which invented a lot of AI tools that's really sensational. And this one, I think you're gonna love it. Because now, if you're working in the e-commerce industry, you will find it helpful and revolutionary. So here's why. Product Avatar Generator, which is amazing because you can generate virtual avatar with your product. All you need to do is upload your product image and instantly create an AI avatar showcasing it. No costly photoshots or video shots required. And you got more than 1,000 product avatars already in the topview.ai. All you need to do is upload your product image and generate a video content with your virtual avatar. And also it's multilingual because you can choose different languages from English to Chinese, Japanese, any languages you name it. And it's totally customizable and you can change the outlooks of the AI avatar. I cannot wait to test it. See, it's very real. You cannot tell whether it's a virtual avatar or actual people. And I think it's just a killer app and nobody in the market can compete with this. Can you imagine those people holding your products and recommend it to the audience? Well, I want to try it right now. And Top View not only have a product avatar generator, so you can try product avatar generator and video avatar generator, talking photo avatar. I already covered many Top Views app, so you can find in my channel. And it is super simple. All you need to do is first choose a product avatar template. So find the correct avatar for you, maybe based on your persona. Let's say if you want to do a mocha product and you need to find a female character, right? And step 2 is upload your product image. And step 3 is generate your video avatar magically. And step 4, enter text or audio for the speech. The key feature of the product avatar is no real models needed anymore. I think this is revolutionary, right? So the cost of making a short video introducing your products is cheaper than ever. And right now, Top View have more than 100 templates of the avatars, so you can find the suitable one for you. See, those examples talks. I think you can find the suitable examples for your product in the Top View website. So remember the domain topview.ai. And we are not the first user, so already many people, many companies of the world already use Top View. And they give good credits to the product. Alright, so enough for the talk. Let's see what the product can do. So first, we need to sign in. So if you don't have an account, no worries. You can always sign up by Google account. So click dashboard and let's sign in. Oh, looks like the product avatar now is 50% off. So don't forget to check the link below. So now we're in the dashboard of the Top View. Not only one AI, but we have AI tools. This is so crazy. And a little bit downwards, we can find the product avatar templates. And we click the view all. Well, no lie, we have more than 1,000 templates. That's crazy, right? But the question is, I don't have a product to promote. So in order to demonstrate it, I generate one unique product for me. So this is James shampoo I generated just now. Maybe one day I can make it real, right? But not today. This is a totally fake one. So let's test if we can use a product avatar generator to generate a nice video with this totally fake brand. Ooh, in fact, we have categories to help us to find the correct one. Of course, shampoo under the beauty and the personal care. In fact, I'm looking for the bigger size of the product. Maybe this one. So, okay, let's choose this lady and click replace with my product image. So we have small tips, no model, more blur, no incomplete, no too small. Okay. And click open. Now it's time for AI to do the magic. For me, for the human, I'm just need to lay back and listen to a music. All right, in this step, we need to adjust the position of our product. You can change, you can rotate it a little bit, or you can make it even bigger here, maybe. All right, so conform product position and click this button. You can see we already removed the background of the original image. You can use the mask brush to change the size of our product. And you can click this button to replace another image. Okay, I think I'm fine with this conform product position button. All right, we have 3 images generated. Wow, I think I'm going with the second one. What do you think, man? And image to video avatar. All right, we have our results. Let's click play.
I'm top view product avatar. I can hold your product with just one image.
Oh man, I cannot believe it. Man, oh, it's so crazy. So first, this shampoo never exists, okay? I just generated. So it's totally fake. But with this video, you can believe this is actual product that holding by a real person. What about the lyrics? Can I change it? So click here, use my script. Okay, let's put our text here. And we can choose why. And select one of the Ys, so you can click here to preview.
Welcome to topview.ai, the
Welcome to topview.ai, the ultimate.
Welcome to topview.ai.
So we select our avatar, we provide our text, and click the generate. And rename the video, and click export.
Introducing James She Shampoo, a remarkable hair care product that has been winning hearts in the market. This shampoo stands out with its outstanding performance. It works wonders on various hair types, whether your hair is dry and brittle, oily and limp, or somewhere in between.
Oh man, this is so crazy. We have a virtual avatar who is showcasing a non-existent shampoo. I just made it up. And the performance is so natural. So we can download from here. And then you just upload to your platform.
Introducing James She Shampoo, a remarkable...
Oh, the word is changed again. Can you believe that? And you can even copy the link. So you can share it with your colleague to test if they like it or not without transport by email. Everything is dragged slow by email. Top view, you are a magician. So what is next? In fact, we do have one more thing. Let's introduce product any shot. They want to see what your product looks like in real life. So you can use product any shot to click here. In fact, we have official tutorials here, but I'm gonna close it. Let's upload our fake shampoo. So target image is where you want to display your product. So we can whether upload our own thing, or we can select one from the public template. Immediately, I found this image, so I'm gonna use this one and click use. And then we need to draw some area for our product. I think I'm gonna replace this bottle with our one. And here, upload our product image. Immediately, the AI of Top View are removing our background. Alright, so click generate. Can you trust a thing in internet now? Can anybody tell me this is a fake one? So we can even use this image to generate a nice video. And here we can type our prompt. I'm gonna say maybe rotate a little bit and give a little bit of creativity. And we can use professional mode or standard mode. And we can change the duration from the 5 seconds or 10 seconds. And here is about the amount of the video. We can choose 1 to 4. And here we can also put some negative prompt, which I don't have right now. So click the generate. Okay, we have our result generated. Click play button. Wow, this is official James' favorite shampoo. And you can use it in the product detail page, and you can use it in your social media promotion, like Instagram, like Facebook, or even X. And I think this is amazing. Of course, I'm gonna give 5 stars for the AIs in top view, and they are amazing. And I think the e-commerce people will love it, and marketing people will love it too. So much for today. I hope you like my video, and if you have any doubts, any questions, don't hesitate to leave your question in the comment zone, and see you on the next episode. Bye bye. Congratulations on watching to the end. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. You won't miss out on more great contents. I will see you on the next episode. Bye bye.